Why we're surrounded by.
Hey guys, what's up? It's been a really long time since I've done a vlog about my life as a college student. It's been really a tough year last first sem, that's why I wasn't able to take much videos. It was so busy and I really need to focus. Thankfully, I had a lot of time right now, not feeling lazy to do a vlog. We just finished our orientation day and got our books. Right now, I'm waiting for my service. Another day at school, and now I'm having carbonara in Cafe France, and I was actually having a hard time twirling my pasta. Lol. So usually most of our minor subjects we had our orientations is it's only the beginning of the semester as a second year medical laboratory science. In the next day, we had our first quiz in parasitology laboratory. Right now, we're in class reviewing, and I'm with my friend and waiting for our professor to come in to start the quiz.
Workers who have exploitations or meeting their
Discussion starts, and our professor discussed regarding general protocols and laboratory experiment rules, especially when we're examining stool samples, since it's all about parasites. Class done, got most of my books for reviewing quizzes and exams, and I'm waiting for my service to pick me up. Couldn't take a vlog much on this day. Instead, I just took a time lapse video of myself reviewing for tomorrow's hard and long quiz for histology, basically about human tissues or even animals. So I decided to go to school as much as early even though our class and quiz starts on 12 p.m. So what happened was our first class got canceled because our prof was late. Here I am early at school in my sanctuary place and still reviewing for my quiz for later. It's really quiet here though. Whenever I come here, I felt free of stress. I felt just peace and quiet that no one can bother me. Need to review well for our huge quiz later. I still got 2 hours to study and scan my reviewers. My friend told me that quiz is quite hard, but the good thing is many passed the quiz. By the way, the subject for today's afternoon is histology, the microscopic study of tissues and organs through sectioning, staining, and examining those sections under a microscope. Just like what I told you earlier, a study about tissues. So in this time, we just finished our orientation day and got our books. Right now, I'm waiting for my service. For this time, our prof told us to practice setting up the microscope within 30 seconds. Since our practical exam is viewing a slide within 30 seconds and fighting to me, God bless us all. Forgive me, guys. I've been having a hard time taking a video, but what I can see inside the microscope, so bear with me. And I still hope that you like what you see. I am currently practicing within 30 seconds setting up my microscope at this moment. However, my camera is sliding and I wasn't able to focus on me. Lol. So this is what you call a cancellous bone. This is how it looks like when you view it inside the microscope. It's really beautiful, guys. It amazes me. I love histology. Having lunch with my friend that I haven't seen for a very long time is one of the memorable memories that I'll cherish forever. Right now, at this moment, I'm having an online orientation while advanced reviewing for biochemistry. Biochemistry is one of my favorite subject, guys, so I hope you like it too.
Kumusta? Tingin nga, babe, bitawan mo nga.
To be honest, chemistry is one of my favorite subjects. I know it's hard for many college students, but I really enjoyed doing experiments, discovering and learning about chemical reactions inside the lab and inside our body. Taking records from each and everyone's experiment, writing everything down in our data sheet and lab report. I just really love seeing different colors on our test tubes. It amazes me so much. That's why I love doing experiments. Obviously, we finished our lab experiments immediately, and now is the time to chica, hang out, and rest with my friends. Right now, I'm having lunch with once again in Cafe France. I'm enjoying my meal, which is lasagna and garlic bread, since I'm craving for it for so long. So bad, craving so bad for it. In this experiment, we brought our stool sample to examine it under microscope in order to see if we have any parasites, but gladly, of course, we're healthy, so we didn't see anything. So what we did in this procedure is we applied saline solution, then later on the poop specimen in rotary motion, and ready for viewing on the microscope. So this is what I saw under the microscope, mostly all bacteria. Thankfully, no parasites or ova seen. Everyone's focusing right now. Literally, each one of us are amazed with what we saw under the microscope. There's a lot of bacteria, as you can see from the microscope. Can't distinguish it yet due to we will study bacteriology in third year. The license to operate clinical laboratory. Now, currently studying for medtech laws, I pray and hope to remember everything that I reviewed last night and today. Getting ready for titration experiments, let's do well. So as you can see, it slowly changes the color. The color slowly changes while slowly adding the titrant to the analyte, which is inside the Erlenmeyer flask. Titration is quite hard, to be honest. It's tiring. It took many trials for us to get the correct titration. For this titration, it needs to turn blue.
kaya mong maka-perfect ng 3 questions out of 10 or 6 questions out of 10 by mere using adrenaline rush. Right? But here's the thing. According to Yorkshire,
Despite everything getting drained, physically and mentally tired, thank God for the strength He's giving us. By the way, today's experiment is titration of vitamin C and ascorbic acid. So this is how it turns as seen from my vlog, which we had it over titrated. But in our first trials, we did well. We got the correct color. For this time, we did catho thick procedure in our stool in order to view ova or any parasites very well. Currently now, after the catho thick experiment, we did a blood smear. I am practicing doing blood smears for our practical exam. In our histology class, we just viewed tissue slides, which involves the circulatory system, respiratory system, the blood smears, the skin, our lymphatic organs, and it was pretty great. So this is what our white blood cells look like. By the way, this is a peripheral blood smear under the microscope, which is stained. This is really beautiful, and it's called the hyaline cartilage found in our respiratory system. So that will be all for all of my college diaries. Fighting to our college students. Remember that no matter what struggle we're going through, God is here to guide us and give us wisdom and knowledge. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog of mine. See you guys on the next one.